Moi! My name is Emmy and I'm your Finnish teacher at thinkingcap.com. This is a quick tutorial on how to import Anki flashcard files into your phone and into your AnkiDroid app. Here's an email I sent to myself that has the Anki deck that we want to import to the Anki app. So we click on download and we're going to go and find it in our downloads. There it is. Siirrä kohteeseen means move to. Move it to my phone. And here is a folder for AnkiDroid. And siirrä, move. Now it's there. So let's go back to our Anki app. And you can see how to the deck called How to Import to AnkiDroid is not here. So I have to go here to Import. And here we go. How to import to AnkiDroid is shown there. So I click on that and it will import the cards. It's asking me if I'm sure I want to add this deck to the collection. This may take a long time. It won't take a long time because it's a very small deck. Add. And it's imported one card. Okay. Now let's try it. I smile. So how do you say I smile in Finnish? We need to fill in the green brackets and we type the answer here. Minä hymyilen. You really need to turn off the predicted texting. Show answer. And it's correct.
Minä hymyilen.
Here we go. We have the audio here that we can listen to.
Minä hymyilen.
So did I think that was easy? Yes, then I would press helppo, which means easy, and 4 days later it would give me the card for me to review again. If I thought it was okay, I'd press the green one, hyvä, and it would give me the same card again in about 10 minutes. If I thought that was difficult, I will press again, and it will show up again in 1 minute. This is called spaced repetition, and this is one of the great things about Anki. It knows what you still need to learn. So I'll press Anki again. Okay, so if I don't know at all what smile is in Finnish, I can click here to get a hint. And it says infinitiivi hymyillä. So the dictionary form and infinitive form is hymyillä. Okay, how do we say that in the first person singular? If I didn't know that, if I just thought, okay, we'll put hymyillä, which is the infinitive. I'll show the answer.
Minä hymyilen.
That's incorrect, and it shows me what I got wrong, which means I can try it again. This tutorial was only a tiny fraction of what Anki can do. If you download Anki flashcards from somewhere, this is how easy it is to start learning if you have the app. The Android app, which I showed you, is free on Google Play, and there is also one for iPhones, but that is not free. However, you can always get the desktop version for free, and that's when you can start learning how to make your own Anki decks.